Hello students, last time we have completed exercise 2.2. So today we will start exercise 2.3. The first question is divide polynomial px by gx. Okay, so here I have written px. P of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Here if you can observe that px is already in standard form. Standard form means decreasing, it should be in decreasing order of its power. So it is 3, 2, 1 and here constant term is not there. Similarly g of x. So g of x should also be in its standard form. So x square minus 2. Now we want to divide. So let us recall our division process which we have done in maybe first or second standard. If we have here 1, 2, 6 and divide by 9. We know that 126 is what? Dividend. This is divisor. Okay. So how we do this? We'll consider here 1, 2. So 9 ones are 9. Here we will have 36. What we are doing? Subtraction. So same process we are going to follow here for P of x and G of x. Okay. So how to find the first term of the quotient? So to find out the first term of the quotient, what we will do? We will divide the highest term, highest power term of the dividend, that is x cube, okay, by highest power term of the divisor, so that is x square. So if you divide x cube by x square, you will get x. So this is your first term of the quotient. Okay, now what we will do? Multiply x by x square. So x into x square is x cube, that we will write here. Again x into minus 2, so that is going to be minus 2x. So I am writing like terms together. Okay, we are not going to get any term with x square. So I will write here 0 into x square. Why? Because we don't have any term with x square. Okay, now as we have subtracted here 12 minus 9, here also we have to subtract this 2. So let us change that sign. So minus, this plus will become minus and this will become plus. Now let us add x cube. Now we will consider the new sign. So plus x cube minus x cube. So that is going to be 0. Now minus 3x square minus 0x square. So that will be minus 3x square. Then plus 5x and plus 2x. So plus 7x. And we will take minus 3 here. Okay. Now minus 3x square plus 7x and minus 3 is our new dividend. Okay. Again we have to follow the same process. We need to find what could be the second term of quotient. Okay. So what we will do? Highest term is what? With highest power minus 3x square. So we will write here minus 3x square divided by highest power term which is x square here. So here we will write x square. So answer is what? Minus 3. So we will write here minus 3. Okay. Now minus 3 into x square. So that is going to be minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 2. So minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So that we will write with the constant term. Here we don't have any term with x. Okay. So we will write here plus 0x. Again follow the same procedure. We will change their sign. So minus will become plus, minus and minus. Okay. Now minus 3x square plus 3x square. So that is going to be 0. Plus 7x minus 0x. So plus 7x minus 3 minus 6. So minus 9. Here 7x minus 9 is what? Remainder. Okay. So what we have, maybe here also we can see. Now let us change this sum. Instead of 6 I am writing here 7. Okay. So here we will have 7. Now we know that 9 4s are 36. Let us change that sign, we subtract. So we will have 1 here. Now 127, we can write 127 as what? 14 multiplied by quotient multiplied by divisor, that is 9 plus remainder, that is 1 here. Okay. Now we know that 14 9s are 126 plus 1 is going to be 127. So here we have to verify this. Okay. If I multiply x square minus 2 with x minus 3, this is what? Divisor. Here we have quotient Now let us add remainder, that is 7x minus 9. So multiply these two brackets. So x square into x will be x cube. X square into minus 3 is minus 3x square. Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Then minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 plus 7x minus 9. Let us add the like terms. Okay. So here we will have x cube minus 3x square. Now minus 2x and plus 7x. So that is going to be plus 5x. Now plus 6 and minus 9, which is what? Minus 3. Now it should be what? It should be our dividend. So let us check here. X cube, p of x is what? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x and minus 3. So what is our division algorithm? Division algorithm is if I say this as px, g of x, quotient we will denote by what? This we will denote by q of x, okay? Q of x, and the remainder we denote by r of x. So division algorithm will be p of x, that is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient. So divisor is what? G of x. Quotient we denote by q of x, and remainder is what? R of x. This is our division algorithm. Thank you. Now let us see question number 1, sub question 3. One more example we'll do here. P of x equals to x raised to 4 minus 5x plus 6 and divide by 2 minus x square. So our first rule is write the p of x and g of x is in standard form. So p of x is already in standard form. But what we are doing here, I am writing p of x as x raised to 4. Here we can see that x cube and x square is not there. So we can write here 0 into x cube, 0 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now g of x. So g of x is equals to, so first we will write highest degree term, that is minus x square, and 2. So sign of 2 is here plus. So g of x equals to minus x square plus 2. So let us divide p of x by g of x. So I am writing p of x. So p of x is already there. So let us divide this p of x by g of x, that is minus x square plus 2. Now to find out the first term of the quotient, what we have to do? We have to divide the highest degree term of the dividend by what? Highest degree term of the dividend by highest degree term of the divisor. So here we have x raised to 4 and the highest degree term is minus x square. So if I divide x raised to 4 by minus x square, I will get here minus x square. Okay, so I am writing here minus x square. Now minus x square into minus x square plus x raised to 4. Minus x square into plus 2. So that is going to be minus 2x square. Okay, I am writing the like terms together. Okay, here we don't have any term with 0x cube. So I am writing here 0x cube. Now let us change their sign. So minus, this will be minus, and here it is plus. Now x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4 minus 0. This is 0x cube plus 0x square plus 2x square. So here we will have what? Plus 2x square. 0x cube means 0. So I am simply writing here 0. Now let us take minus 5x and plus 6 down. Okay. Now to check. Again, this is our new dividend. Okay, so let us find the second term of the quotient. How to find? So highest power term is here 2x square. So let us divide 2x square by highest power term, which is not going to be changed. So let us divide it by minus x square. So we will have here minus 2. Now let us write down here minus 2. Again multiply minus 2 by minus x square. So minus and minus plus 2x square. Now minus 2 into plus 2 is going to be minus 4. Here we will not have any term with x, so I am writing here 0x. Now let us change their sign. So minus, minus and plus. 2x square plus 2x square minus 0. Here minus 5x and minus 0x. So minus 5x and 6 plus 4 is 10. So r of x, that is remainder. Here our remainder r of x is going to be minus 5x plus 10. Our quotient q of x. So q of x is equals to minus x square minus 2 minus x square and minus 2. And we know that p of x is given, okay, and g of x is also given. As we have discussed in previous sum, what is the division algorithm? So division algorithm is p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, so this is your homework. So your homework is you have to multiply g of x by q of x and then add r of x and verify whether it is your p of x or not. Okay, so this is your homework.